Chapter 6 Gandhiji's Truthfulness. Get Set Go. Relate. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is a well-known name in our country. He is called the father of the nation. Do you know why? Reflect. Our currency notes have the image of Gandhiji on them. Do you know what title has been given to him? Recreate. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar in Gujarat. Do you know his parents' name? Let's read and appreciate. More than 100 years ago, on the sea coast of Saurashtra, in the little town of Porbandar, was born a young boy called Mohan. He was well known for his love of truth. He was inspired by the famous Raja Harishchandra, who had lost his kingdom and all his earthly belongings for the sake of truth. Very early in life, Mohan decided to be truthful and honest like Harishchandra. He never strayed from the path of truth, even though he often got into trouble because of this. One day, when Mohan reached school, Masterji, his teacher, told the students that the inspector of schools would be inspecting their school next day. So, the following day, all the boys came to the class wearing clean and well-ironed clothes. Mohan too was wearing his best clothes. Masterji wanted to impress the inspector and told all the boys that if the inspector asked them any question, they would have to give the correct answer at any cost. He also told the class that anyone who made a mistake would be punished. When the inspector came to Mohan's class, he gave them a spelling test. He wanted to find out how good the boys were in English. When the teacher looked at Mohan's slate, he noticed that the boy had made a mistake in one of the spellings. He quietly went up to Mohan, and when the inspector was looking the other way, he made a sign to the boy that he should copy the word from his neighbor's slate.
To the teacher's surprise, Mohan did not do as he was told. As a result, all the students except Mohan had spelt all the words correctly. This made the teacher very angry. After the inspector left, Masterji scolded Mohan and asked him why he had not done as he was told. "You foolish boy, if you had listened to me, you would have got full marks in the test," he told Mohan.
Mohan replied, "Masterji, copying from another slate would be cheating, and you yourself have told us that cheating is wrong." The teacher was at a loss of words. He did not know what to say. Did you guess who the boy was? Mohan was no other than Gandhiji. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji did many great things when he grew up
and led Indians in a non-violent
fight for independence. He finally devoted his life for India's freedom. Mahatma Gandhi is regarded as the father of the nation. He is lovingly called Bapu. My dictionary: sea coast, a place by the sea. Well known, famous, inspired, got confidence to do something well. Belongings, properties or things belonging to a person. Strayed, moved away. Inspector, someone who checks or examines. Impress, to make someone respect you. At a loss of words, to surprise to say anything. Non-violent, using peaceful methods. Independence, freedom.